Example 2. In the given diagram, P, 2, 4, and Q, -3, -8, are 2 points in the Cartesian plane. R is the y-intercept of the line. Calculate the distance between P and Q. Determine the gradient of PQ. Determine the size of alpha, the angle of inclination of PQ, rounded off to 1 decimal place. Determine the equation of the line PQ. Determine the coordinates of R. Hence, determine whether R is the midpoint of PQ or not. Solution. Distance between P and Q. If coordinates of any 2 points are given, then the distance between the points can be calculated using the distance formula. Substituting values, we get the distance between the points P and Q. D is equal to square root of 169. Therefore, D is equal to 13. Gradient of PQ. Gradient of a line can be easily determined if the coordinates of 2 points on the line are given, or the angle of inclination of the line with the x-axis is known. In this case, the coordinates of 2 points are known, so we can use the formula for the gradient directly. Substituting values, we get the gradient of the line PQ. Therefore, m is equal to 12 over 5. Size of alpha, the angle of inclination of PQ. The angle of inclination can be found if the gradient of the line is known. Tan alpha is equal to m. In the previous part, we have found the gradient of the line, so calculating the angle of inclination of PQ is straightforward. Substituting for m and finding the tan inverse, the angle can be calculated. Tan alpha is equal to 12 over 5, or, therefore, alpha is equal to 67,4 degrees. Equation of the line PQ. If the coordinates of 2 points in a plane are known, then the equation of the line passing through the points can be formed using the 2-point formula. The formula can be rewritten as y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is the gradient of the line, which is equal to m equals 12 over 5. Substituting values, y plus 4 is equal to 12 over 5 times x minus 24 over 5. To obtain the equation in the standard form, we have to make y the subject of the equation, adding -4 to both the sides. Y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 12 over 5 times x minus 24 over 5 minus 4. Therefore, y is equal to 12 over 5 x minus 44 over 5. Thus we obtain the equation of the line QP. Coordinates of point R. The coordinates of R are the coordinates of the point where the line PQ intersects the y-axis. We also call it the y-intercept. The y-intercept can be determined by substituting x is equal to 0 in the equation of the line. Y is equal to 12 over 5 times 0 minus 44 over 5. Therefore, y is equal to -44 over 5. The coordinates of R are 0, -44 over 5. Is R the midpoint of PQ? Let us find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment PQ and compare it with the coordinates of point R. The formula for the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment is x is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 over 2. Substituting the values, we get the coordinates of the midpoint. X is equal to -3 plus 2 over 2, and y is equal to -8 plus 4 over 2. Therefore, the midpoint is -1 over 2, -2, -1 over 2, -2, not equal to 0, -44 over 5. Therefore, we can say that point R is not the midpoint of PQ.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.